guys, so me and my friend Hridhan will play cricket today. We will do the toss and directly we'll choose who will bat first. Okay? Okay. So this is the coin, just for example, the pillow. So we will toss
This
it
is
up.
heads, that is tails.
Which one do you choose? You just call it.
Heads.
That's it. It's. I choose to ball, guys. I have a ball in my hand, and Hridhan is going to bat, my friend. Okay. All the way. Okay. So. Ooh, nice ball. 0 runs. 0 balls on first ball. Second ball coming up. Well, no, 0. So 12. 2 balls, 0 runs. More balls to go. Out. Aye.
Tidy to it.
Now it's my batting. Wide ball, 1 run. One more run to win. Run, go little back and ball. Yes, from there. And won the game here, guys. It's me. We won the game. How do you feel about it? Good? Okay. Well played. Okay. Tails.
It's a
Oh my God.
ball first.
Okay, bowling. Nice
It's a
choice.
2 over match.
Nice choice. And let me just go to the window. Run it. Middle. No ball. Give my head. Give my head.
Not a no ball.
No.
No.
1 run. Here it came.
No run. No run.
No run. 0.
Dot ball.
Not LBW. Double tap. 2 runs and 3 balls. 3 balls, 2 runs. Four balls, 3 runs. White ball, 5 runs and 4 balls and 4 runs.
Out.
5 run target.
Clean ball.
Nice ball, dude. I forget. We'll see about that. How many runs you make in 2 overs.
I need Finish to win.
Woo.
LB is not there.
What is that?
No.
Okay, not ball.
I also had it. Got it. Oh, thank you.
Ooh! 1 run and 1 balls.
White
1
ball.
ball, 1 run. Nice batting.
4 runs to win.
Oi! Out.
How?
2
Dot ball.
2 ball, 1 run.
It is a dot ball.
Three balls, 2 runs. 3 ball 2.
3 to 1.
3 to win.
3 to win. 3 to 6 to
In 10 balls.
9.
10.
10.
Where's the ball? Huh?
That was a good run.
And I won the match. Veer just. Hello, Veer.
Guys,
Another match, okay?
Hridhan won the match.